কি অদৃশ, কি ভাবছিস এত? কি ভাবছিস?
আমরা কখন পৌঁছাবো আর জলে কি নামতে পারবো?
গুড কোয়েশ্চেন। And that's how the ride started. Right now we are in a very beautiful forest of Shukna. Here is Anik.
Hello.
And Adrich. Anik, how are these roads?
As you can see the road, there are curves that can make you smile any day, any moment.
Yes, and now we will ride through these curves and give you beautiful shots. এই কার্ভটা এখানটাই নিই, বুঝলি? এখানে জায়গা বেশি আছে, এখানটা ট্রাইপড সেট করা যাবে, এই জায়গাটাই ঠিক আছে। এই যে এইখানটা ভালো আসবে, তারা এবার ট্রাইপডটা সেট করি। অদৃশ রেডি ফর দ্য শট। কিরে ঠান্ডা লেগেছে নাকি তোর?
না।
ওকে, তুই চুলটা কোথা থেকে কাটিয়েছিস? চুলটা কোথা থেকে কাটিয়েছিস? নাভেদ? সেটা কি কোনো ইয়ে, মানে হেয়ার স্টাইলিস্ট বা কিছু? নো কমেন্টস। ঠিক আছে, দাঁড়া আসছি। হ্যাঁ তাই? এর পরের কার্ভটাতে আছে, ওই ডান দিকে আছে অদৃশ। হ্যাঁ, ও রেকর্ডিংয়ে দিয়ে রেখে দিয়েছে 60 FPS এ। ওটা সামনে দিয়ে যখন যাবি একটু হালকা কার্ভ করে যাবি, ঠিক আছে? রাস্তাটা যেরকম গেছে ওরকম কার্ভ করে চ, তুই আগে যা। That was fun. If you're someone who works all week and on a weekend you want to go somewhere, you can go to the place where we are going to, that is Muktikhola waterfalls. Many people don't know about this place because it is not that well known to people, and also on YouTube you will find only few vlogs which are there of this waterfall. It is just 40 kilometers from Siliguri. It's a very beautiful place because you get greeneries all around and the waterfall. It's a small waterfall, but it is surrounded by Mother Nature in such a beautiful way. It really gives you a calm feeling. See, this is the reason we ride. Just look at this road and the trees. It really sets your mind at ease. Look at the beautiful mountains. Tell me a place where you can get such beautiful places or locations so near your city. Like within half an hour, you can reach such beautiful places. Really beautiful. Wow, look at the tree. What are these flowers? Let me know in the comment section. I don't know what these flowers are. It's been over 3 weeks that I have come out with my bike. One, I had a trip with my wife that we took our car. That was last Sunday, but before that 2 Sundays I couldn't go out anywhere. Oh yes, one I went with my dad and Tito because mom and Shiny were not here. That vlog was very good. We enjoyed a lot. If you haven't seen that, you should definitely see that. But today is something else. Riding a bike, going on this adventure, feeling yourself so close to the nature. It's a different feeling altogether. Just look at the view. Beautiful mountain with a stretch of mountain river flowing below the bridge. This is also the road that you take to go to Mirik. As you will see that the road turns towards the right and it's an upslope. So that is the road towards the Mirik. But the place that we are going today, we don't have to go to that road, but we'll go straight. So that is also a bit of a steep, but not that much. We have been to Dow Hill, that was much steeper. This road is okay, but the view is very beautiful. So we'll show that, but our main target is the waterfall. If we see the waterfall, we'll definitely take a dip, provided the water levels are low. So that's the road to the Mirik, and we'll go from here. Here we go. We have got small homestays also out here. Last weekend we went to Rohini Lake and there is a beautiful homestay out there. Food quality is awesome. Whenever we go somewhere, that is one thing we look for, the food quality. It was very good. The resort that we stayed in was Orchid Resort. It's a beautiful property where you get a stretch of mountain river flowing just beside the property, and they have got their own swimming pool and a very big kitchen and dining area. That vlog will consist of me and my wife. I put so many pranks on her. Most of the videos we won't be able to give because she said not to give. But I'll see. The hilarious one I'll definitely give. Yes, we have finally reached. Almost. Just look at it. Whoo! এই জায়গাটা ব্যাপক ব্যাপক একদম, কোনো কথা হবে না। এত সুন্দর না সব দিকে, আর সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে শান্ত। ইটস ভেরি গুড। কিরে অদৃশ, ঠিক আছিস? তোর পেছনে বসে বসে ঘুমাচ্ছিল?
জানি না, ঘুমাচ্ছিলি?
Now we are searching for a place where we can go down and enjoy a bit of a dip. এই জায়গাটাও ভালো ছিল।
Why Indians are looked down everywhere?
Exactly. Littering everywhere they go. এই জায়গাটাতে জল ছিল রে অনেক, কিন্তু ওই জায়গাটা ডিপ বেশি। চল ওখানটাই যাই। এখানে পিকনিক টিকনিকও করে, দেখেছিস? বনফায়ার এন্ড অল রয়েছে।
জায়গাটা ভালো।
জায়গাটা ভালো, কিন্তু নোংরা যা করেছে। ওই জায়গাটাতেই অ্যাকচুয়ালি জল আছে। ও কিরে, ওখানেই তো জল আছে। কি করবি, এখানে নাবি নাকি? ওকে, সো উই হ্যাভ ডিসাইডেড উইল গেট ডাউন হিয়ার। এখানেই জামাও চেঞ্জ করে নিই।
বাট আমি চেঞ্জ কি করে করি? আমি তো টাওয়াল আনি।
আমারটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
ওকে,
টাওয়াল তো আছে, অসুবিধা নেই।
ও ভালো জায়গা, নাই।
Okay, so we'll get ready and then we'll join our brothers there. We are now ready to take a dip. Adrij! Okay, let's go ahead. Yay, Adrij! Baba re, jol to bhalo thanda re. The water is extremely cold. How are you feeling, Anik?
I'm feeling great.
Great. We'll take some few underwater shots also. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. বেশি ডিপে যাস না, বেশি ডিপে যাস না। রেডি, 1, 2, 3. কিরে অনেক, বাড়ি যাবি? বাড়ি যাবি না? বাড়ি যাবি না? আর তোর মাকে কল করছি।
কলকাতা থেকে
হ্যাঁ
এই ব্লগ ভিডিও দেখতাম নেপালের,
হ্যাঁ,
আসতে তো পারতাম না।
Right.
এর আগের রাইড গুলো ক্যান্সেল হলো। আজকেরটা সেরা, যারা আসলো না,
ব্যাড মিস।
সরি ফর দেম, সরি ফর ইউ গাইস।
eager to come, we can plan again. Surely.
এটা একদম কাছে।
Exactly.
মানে 45 minutes from Siliguri.
Exactly.
This is crazy actually. Best place to take a bath.
Come on, Adrij. এটা কি সুইমিং হচ্ছে? 2 stars with us today. Anik and Adrij, who has finally come out
We
on
don't
a
go to
fruitful ride.
we don't go to small trips.
We go to very small trips.
We go places like here,
একদম।
which is like some good episode of Happiness on Wheels. Not like the other.
আর
Not like the other.
because
one.
Adrij is there, so it's a very good episode.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Being here defines how wheels can give you happiness.
Exactly.
Yes. And of course, my face TRP matters.
High TRP face. Just look at the location. Who won't love it when they come here? ये भाई इनको दिया था ना। We'll wait for some time, enjoy ourselves, and then we'll go and have something. There is a shop out here where we can have snacks. So we'll go there and have some snacks, and after that, we'll go and have lunch. Lunch করবি তো Adrij? Okay, so we'll have lunch. Let me give you a closer view. Let's see. We have a place out here to sit. It's a rock on which you can sit. And you can enjoy like this. Yay! Woo! Hi. This guy doesn't want to go home today.
I am not going to go home
দাঁড়া, তোর মাকে কল করছি আমি, দাঁড়া।
when I feel left alone. Means in entire city. This is a beautiful place for me to live,
Exactly.
and this is where I can take bath. This is where I can get some food.
ফুড মাছ নাকি তুই?
Yes.
একসাথে ঠান্ডা ভাই, এবার ঠান্ডা লাগছে।
বলো না আমি না, তোর গায়ে অত জোর নেই ভাই।
এই অদ্রিজ ঠিক আছিস?
কোথায় বসবি ওখানে? এটা কেমন বানিয়েছে?
The presentation is good.
The taste is good.